Once you've installed your TV channels, it can be useful to reorder them, especially the ones you watch more often. To do this, you'll need to create a favorites list first. Open the channels list by pressing the List button on your remote control. When the list of channels is displayed, press the green button on the remote control to select your favorite channels. A useful tip is to add the channels directly in the order of your preference, so you don't have to change them later. Once you've added all your desired channels, navigate to the drop-down list at the top of the channel list. Press OK and select the favorite list you have just created. If you would like to reorder a particular channel, go to Favorites list, open Options, and select Reorder Channels. Select the channel you would like to move and press OK. The channel will become highlighted and you can move it with the remote control cursor to the desired position and press OK. Repeat these steps until all required channels are moved. When finished, press the green button on the remote control. If you would like to delete a channel from the favorites list, simply select the channel and press the green button on your remote control.